Hey, good morning and happy Sunday. I'm Duane Marino, and today's quote of the day is one of my favorites. It appears in many of my workbooks, and it is, "The mark of an intelligent mind is the ability to entertain any thought without judging it." Let me tell you what I mean. In a lot of my workshops, I will provoke and disturb and piss off people on purpose just to get them agitated and get them thinking outside of whatever they're currently thinking about. Because so often we are trapped in our own belief systems. Beliefs really are like a box. It can trap us in. And when people say think outside of the box, they're thinking about and talking about stepping outside of your peer group, your information, your imagination, your experiences. Those are the four major things that box us in. Look at your current sales process, your life. Look at anything regarding health, relationships, your finances, passive income. I'm constantly challenging myself this way. I don't do everything right, that's for sure, but I will entertain any thought. Once I entertain a thought, then I can decide if some value there for me, either long-term or short-term. If it was just pure entertainment, maybe it proves my belief system was correct, or what I'm doing as far as my activities goes are correct, but you don't really know that till you step outside of it. So my challenge today for you is regarding politics, sex, religion, or anything else of interest that might affect your outcome in life. And maybe just as a hobby, step outside of your peer group, what they've told you, what the common thoughts are there, your imagination, what you've been able to project out and dream on and sleep on, the information you put in front of yourself, and also the meaning you've interpreted with all of your experiences, and see if you can find something which is an entertaining thought. It doesn't have to be fact. You don't have to chase it. You don't have to start doing it, anything like that. But if the mark of an intelligent mind is the ability to entertain any thought without judging it, which I believe is true, I challenge you to start stepping outside of your own thoughts and looking at everything. Bigfoot, aliens, spirituality, paying off your mortgage in 5 years instead of 15, doubling your income, changing your sales technique, changing what you're doing on the phones, changing how you're responding to emails, to texts. It doesn't matter. Step outside of it, take a look, and one of the easiest things to do also is find somebody who's getting the result that you want and just model it. Anyways, I'm Duane. We'll see you on the next quote. Take care.